How to enable game mode for games on your Nothing phone with Android 15, Nothing OS 3. So I'll show you how to get access to this here and make changes to certain settings that'll work to your advantage while playing games. The first thing you want to do is enable the game mode and the sidebar feature. So use the quick access, take two fingers like this here and do a full swipe to quickly access the settings toggle down here. Once in this section here, you'll use the search bar and type in the words game mode. So go ahead and type that in and you'll see it show up as a suggestion. Once here, it'll flash, go into it, and this is where you want to be. Now there are a few settings that you want to go through first before going into the game. So you got game list management. This here, if you just install a game and you want to make sure it is part of the game mode for it automatically, be sure to turn it on by toggling the switch here. Then you got the sidebar. That sidebar is the one you saw earlier, which you would swipe from the top left corner. Go ahead and turn that on. That's going to be very useful for you while playing games. The notification display. So you want notifications coming in, but this is how they will appear on your screen, default, minimal. And if you don't want them appearing at all, it'll be nothing by setting it to off, but you will be receiving the notifications in the background. You got mistouch prevention, and this is going to be good for those of us who are using the navigation gestures. You might accidentally perform the back gesture coming out the game in which you don't want to. Game Color Plus, that's going to help with some colors and detail, but not much is going to be noticed. Finally, the game dashboard. As you go here, this is going to be the little floating icon, which I'll show you later on. And you also have the do not disturb for games feature, okay? So now go ahead and dive into the game, which I do have open already. So the panel, the one with the features that you're gonna use is this one right here. You'll see this little panel right there if you notice that there. So pull away on that, that's gonna open up for you. And you'll see the performance mode. So go ahead and turn that on. That's gonna be like that. And you got the calls. So while you are recording, you can tap on that. That'll disable the calls here. While you're playing games, it's gonna appear like either refuse all in pop-up or in full screen. So if you don't want it blocking your game completely, go ahead with the pop-up. That's gonna appear as a little floating icon. And then you got the notifications here, which is what I showed you earlier in terms of having them shown or nothing at all. And I'll just come out of here for a bit now. And this is the little icon here that we enabled earlier. When you tap on that, that's gonna take you here, and then you can choose to enable these options here, the screenshot, the recording, the FPS, and the do not disturb, which is going to stop notifications and calls from coming in while playing games. And it's really just up to you to make changes to these settings, like and sub.